Samir Ahmed. I'm a senior at Brooklyn Tech and I currently attend the STI program at Thomas Edison High School. We get to learn at our own pace and make our own Unity projects.
My name is Samir. I go to Brooklyn Technical High School and I'm a senior. For STI, I am enrolled in the AI Fundamentals program.
So my name's Ryan. I'm currently in Edison and I am enrolled in the HVAC program.
We learned the components of the air conditioning system and how it works with the compressor, condenser, metering device, and the evaporator.
I was definitely more interested in learning more how to code, and then also in a more fun and creative way, because I've coded before, but I always thought it was boring. But when I joined the program, it made me it made it enjoyable for me.
Anything involving scripts, which is basically like the code for the behavior of our objects, we have to use a program called Visual Studio, and in Visual Studio we code using C#, so if anyone's interested in learning C#, that's a great way to learn.
I'm part of a robotics team, and in the robotics team we use a lot of object-oriented programming, and this helps, the knowledge of C# helps build onto that as well.
In SDI, the main thing we focused on, right, is the ethics and the societal impacts of AI, right? And AI is a tool we use so often now.
Especially in the educational sense, it's seen as something bad. This program made it seem like a learning environment and something that we could grow upon in the future.
One of the learning modules asks about prompt refinement, and it teaches you how to correctly give AI a prompt so you could get your answer that you really want. And especially in school, if I'm not understanding something or the teacher can help me explain something to me, then I can just use AI to make it explained in my personal way.
Learned a lot about critical thinking, and I really like hands-on work, so it kind of helped me improve. And with my tools,
we started electrical, and as we're doing right now, we're doing parallel systems and how it works based off a schematic.
If they have a hobby, they want to figure out, they want to try something new, I would say, hey, there's this program that is hands-on. You can learn a lot from it.
So you get to work in your own time. You get to work as fast and slow as you can. You get to do any project you want to. You could jump ahead if you want. It doesn't matter. It's you get to really time manage yourself, and I think it's really helpful.